Hi, my name is Lindsay Mersman. IT and data analytics professionals are heavily depended on to provide stakeholders with accurate data, fast, but often lack the resources to enable them to be successful. EAG has developed an affordable, secure, scalable, and dynamic BI solution that empowers the team with reliable data effortlessly. With EAG Foundations, you no longer need to rely on a mix of disparate offline data sources, legacy systems, and manual processes to manage and structure your data. Benefit from plug-and-play report packs and a secure, scalable, cloud-based data warehouse that automatically pulls data from a variety of sources into a unified cloud platform for streamlined data analysis. Contact us to learn more.